China aims to achieve orbiting, landing, and roving on the Red Planet in a single mission. The country has already successfully entered into the orbit of Mars when it reached the Red Planet in February. The Perseverance rover, which is trundling on the surface of Mars, is likely going to get a new neighbor soon as China attempts to land its maiden rover on the Red Planet on Friday. The Chinese National Space Administration (CNSA) will attempt to land the Zhurong rover, part of the Tianwen-1 spacecraft, which has been orbiting Mars since February of this year. So far, no country except the US has succeeded in landing rovers on the surface. 7 minutes of terror. As CNSA enters the Martian atmosphere, Chinese scientists sitting at the administration's headquarters will experience the 7 minutes of terror, a term used to refer to the loss of communication with the machine hurtling down the surface. It is only after 7 minutes the machine may have either landed or crashed. Confirmation of the rover's status reaches Earth due to the massive distance between the two planets. As the lander hits the Martian atmosphere, the rover will be tucked under a heat shield, protecting it from the immense heat generated due to friction in Mars's upper atmosphere. A parachute will be deployed seconds after the heat shield is ejected midway, to slow down the space probe. Working on similar equipment as the sky crane that lowered Perseverance onto the surface, the Chinese lander will put the rover on the ground. According to CNSA, if the landing is successful, a ramp will be deployed on the lander to slowly roll out the rover onto the surface. CNSA, which is one of the most tight-lipped space agencies, recently released the name of the rover to be Zhurong. Zhurong is the god of fire in ancient Chinese mythology, which echoes with the Chinese name of the red planet, Huoxing, meaning the planet of fire. Fire brought warmth and brightness to the ancestors of humankind, and fire lit up human civilization.